Okay, so we're back to figuring out how we get a compass course, because all we have is a compass and that's what we have to steer off of, but we have to change from a true course, which is on the chart, to a compass course, which is what we're looking at on the ship. So we're looking to go from southeast of Cordell Bank at 38 degrees north, 123.30 west. We're going to enter this traffic lane. What we want to do is safely come around here and then come into San Francisco Bay. So that's kind of what we're looking at. So what I found is true course from this Cordell Bank here, southeast of it. I took my roller here, I went into the compass rose, and I found the true course of 044. So I put 044 up there, okay? Then I came down and I looked at the variation in this compass rose, which is 14 degrees 15 minutes east. So I put 14.25 east as that decimal. That, since it's an east, gets subtracted and gives us a magnetic of 29.75. Well, if we're steering 2975, we get a deviation from the ship of 1.5 degrees east, which we have to take off of or subtract from that number. And then we come down to our course of 2825. And when I come down to the compass rose and I look at our course of 040 and I come into our magnetic course, that's pretty darn close to our magnetic compass rose, which is the inner part of the compass rose, okay? So what you're going to do is at 12 o'clock when we looked at this, you're going to start steering 28.25 in here at whatever speed's laid out. I put speed of 10 knots on here. And then you're going to enter the traffic lane and then a whole bunch of other stuff starts. So that's just a really quick rundown of how that's done. And we will cover it more. The deviation I got comes off that compass card that's actually set up for the Columbia. So that's what we would use if we went on a trip with it. And that's how you'd know where to get your deviation for your trip from. This is a first practice run, so hopefully you enjoy it. And we can get more refined and talk about more when you guys get back to school.